If you want to see detailed informations of a sound, you can find them in the wave analysator. The green line is the original wave. The red line is the effect wave. The overtone spectrum is yellow. The actual position is the red line in the envelope picture. You can play any note to update the tone. You can also change the scale of the display. And the position during the tone. See how the spectrum and the waveform changes during playing. The overtone spectrum is rich at the start. And it gets softer at the end. If you add some effects like distortion or reverb, you will see the changes in the effect wave. And you can hear it. You can use any sound from the preset bank. For example, a saw-string orchestra from the granulator. Watch the fuzzy overtone spectrum that makes the sound orchestral. Or load a simple organ and reset all effects. And compare it with the clear overtone spectrum of a solo instrument. Try to create your own sounds. Do-it-yourself music.